Don't be afraid. I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze.
What's up, everybody? It'll be another quick video today. Installing these window visors. So honestly, these are the cheapest ones I found on eBay. And then I got another rear window spoiler because my original one actually flew off somewhere on the highway. Alright, so the way these mount on, it's just 3M double-sided tape. These visors actually came pre-applied with it, but the rear window spoiler did not, so I just bought some double-sided tape at AutoZone and just took a few minutes to pre-apply. So next I'm going to mock these up where I want to place them with painter's tape. Okay, so ideally I'm going to place it like this, match the edge with the door, and follow through like that, because right now I'm just holding it on. But I've seen pictures on eBay where like they follow the window edge kind of like that, and that goes all the way down to there. But to me, I like this way better, so that's how I'm going to do it. So I got the visors mocked on, and the roof spoiler I'm just holding it down with my hand, but for eBay quality, like this actually follows the windshield a lot better than my first one. So I'm gonna grab a tripod and then I'm gonna stick on all these visors and then call it a day. Okay, so the way I put these on is I peel the backing off a little bit on each corner, and then for this short one, I peel it all the way off. I place it. I'll usually use two hands for this, but I place it down like this, push down the corner, and over here I like to place it where I want it to be, like line up the edge. And then in case you want to move it, you could easily move it without peeling off all the tape. So I'm happy with this edge, and then this edge will be pushed up a little bit, but it'll be held on when I peel the backing off. And then when I'm ready to go, I peel off the backing and it all comes out. Alright, so I got a tape on the roof spoiler, or rear windshield spoiler, whatever you want to call it, visor. It's holding it where I want it to place. So all I gotta do is flip it up, peel off the backing, and then do the same thing like I did the window visors. Now you can take the extra step to use a heat gun, but if this flies off again, like the second one, I'm just never gonna replace it. But I just like the look of this spoiler personally, and I wanted to see how it looks with these.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
One last thing, here's a inside view of the visors, in case you were wondering. So yeah, from my point of view, which is like right here, can't really tell except for that black line right there. And there's the visor again from the driver's side. It doesn't really block out much. It's maybe like an inch covering the window. And the rear passenger or rear driver's side. And then the window spoiler, you don't really see anything from here. And you really have to like go underneath the rear windshield to really see that spoiler, so it doesn't block any visibility.
And ooh,